We focus a lot with the Grand Prix on the pointy end of the spear in the front of the race, and we still have 100,000 people doing our events across the country every year, but what we're learning is the pointy end of the spear is getting faster and faster. It's getting more and more competitive, and we're having to level up our game. I think this year is going to help us validate that the Life Time Grand Prix really is the premier series in North America.
Still a big battle going on for the standings, so a lot to be decided.
And I think it's definitely helped to raise the bar over here. Like, the series itself is like put all the best cyclists in the US here.
It's proof that this series is an entirely different beast than really anything that anyone's done. It combines mountain biking and it combines gravel racing.
Nobody's really done it at the level of what we're trying to do right now.
Our goal is for more legitimacy around gravel cycling, and that means seeing the United States on the top of the podium with a gold medal around their neck, whether that's a world championship or the Olympics. And it all flows together.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Where are you from?
Michigan.
Nice.
Originally from Philippines.
Feels like there's more eyes on bike racing over here now. Like, there's a lot more fans. People ride by and ask for a selfie or ask to sign autographs, which is cool. It definitely increases the motivation too. Keeps me stoked to keep pushing and keep finding new limits.
Looking back a year ago, holding autograph signings, it was like we were trying to drive people to come to those autograph signings. And this year we had 22 athletes set up in the square with a line to get each and every single one of their signatures.
American off-road cycling definitely focuses more on the riders and not just the result. The results are important, but at the end of the day, we have such a deep-rooted community, and that brings a lot of value to you as a rider if you lean into that. But that also brings balance into saying there's a community here of people that look up to me even when I'm not winning. And I've felt that so much this year by the outpour of messages and support that I've received even in my lowest moments.
I hope 2024 is I hope it continues to validate what we're trying to do for the sport in North America. I hope we continue to build this community around these events where these professional athletes are out here at the expo, they're hanging out with all the other riders that come out to these events. For cycling to grow as an industry, it needs to be big enough that non-endemic partners take notice and want to reach this audience. To have a partner like Mazda to see that vision, that ultimately this is the audience that they want to reach, to me it brings credibility to what we're doing.